How do you make a daily planner on the iPad? So let me explain it in this video. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so it depends and comes down to the preference of apps you want to use for it. For example, me personally, the daily planner in terms of my iPad would consist of the calendar app where I schedule all of the events, and as well as some sort of to-do list, which lets me keep track of the tasks which I need to complete throughout the day. So in that case, what I would personally go with would be some sort of calendar app. I would go with the Google Calendar and also use the Google Tasks, which is like an app to incorporate your tasks. It's all connected through one Google account, but it also shows the task inside of the calendar. So you can see I get to plan out some specific events for the day, as well as give me the ability to check off all of the tasks which I completed. So me personally, I would go with that route. So that's something I would personally do. But I know a lot of people who prefer a little bit of a different approach, because there are these like linked daily planners which work within apps like GoodNotes, for example. So they contain these like hyperlinks where you can like switch between a basic like different files and different days and weeks. And that is something you could create on your own. But I know a lot of people who would just instead buy one, right? Like a finished one. I'm not trying to like sell anything. I'm not here like affiliated with any product, but there are some digital planners which you can basically find on the internet for the GoodNotes. And there are even plenty of free ones available. But the point is that you can get these like digital planners which are hyperlinked, and you can connect the different things and, add stickers. And this is much more like aesthetic, if you ask me. So some people prefer that option. And there are, as I said, even plenty of like free planners available. Some of them are paid but very cheap. But yeah, that's like another option which you can go with. Again, that is using the GoodNotes app, which you can get for free from the App Store. And this file will be able to be used through that app. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.